Ideogram AI has always been an amazing text design generator, but recently they released a consistent character feature. In this video, we'll be exploring this feature to see how well it works. Consistent characters option is especially useful for people who create storyline media such as storybooks and animation. I know most AI tools struggle with creating consistent characters, including Midjourney and Leonardo AI. So let's see if this new Ideogram AI feature is the solution we've all been waiting for. First, let's head over to Ideogram AI. Once you're on the new interface, you'll see an option on the side labeled Character. Click on it, and it opens a new page. There's a folder where all your created characters are stored. I'm just going to close that for now. Here's where you create your characters. All you need is one image. I'm going to start by clicking the Upload button and selecting an image to begin with. You'll see below that it also offers templates. The purpose of these templates is for restyling, kind of like the Studio Gibble trend that went viral a while ago. This is just Ideogram's version of the restyle feature. For this first character, I'm going to pick a template. Once you click on the template, it automatically adds a prompt to the box. Below, you can still choose the aspect ratio, how many images you want to generate, but there are only two style options. You also have the choice to toggle the magic prompt on or off. For now, let's just try it with the template and generate. I'll speed up this part to save time. Here are the results. It kind of looks like the main character, but there are noticeable differences. I think this image right here actually looks the most similar to the main character. Even though it's not 100% consistent, I'd say the face is about 80% similar. For example, the face in the original is skinnier, but this one is chubbier. So no, it's not perfect character consistency. It's more like 80 to 90%, at least for photographic style images. Now that you've seen the result for photo style images, let's try the type of image this is really meant for, which is storybook characters. I'm going to upload a storybook style page I downloaded earlier. It features a very simple character, the kind you'd typically use in kids' storybook pages. This time, I won't use a template. I'll write a simple prompt to place the character in a different background. I'm not going to select any style here, just default settings, and let's see how it turns out. Okay, this is actually not bad. Look at the character's face, it's pretty accurate. The only real difference here is the clothing. The character's clothes have changed. So if you plan to use this for children's storybooks, you'll need to keep the clothing description consistent in your prompt, or it will change automatically. Aside from the clothing, the style is well preserved. I'd say this version looks more like the original character. So for cartoon images, the consistency seems to be around 90%. Before ending the video, I want to try one more thing, using a longer prompt and changing the character's expression. Because when you're working with consistent characters, you'll want to see different sides of the character, including different moods and facial expressions. This is a 3D image, and I'll use a more detailed prompt to change the character's clothing and expression. Here's the result. The sample image was sad, and Ideogram AI character feature has successfully changed the expression. Again, I'd say this is around 90% consistency. Still, this is an impressive feature, and I'll definitely be using it regularly in my workflow. While it's not perfect, you can absolutely pull off consistent characters, especially with detailed prompts. So this is how Ideogram AI's new character feature works in their latest release. You can go ahead and try it. If you use this feature in your own project, please share your experience in your comment below. Thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day and bye.